Johan here, HempBLOCK International. This episode I'll run quickly through what our HempBLOCK training is all about. So, quickly. Number one, why do we give these trainings? What are these trainings all about? Who are they for? And what do they look like? Then last, when and where. Okay, why do we give these trainings? Well, it's part of our product certification that installation of the system needs to be done by people that are competent. When you have followed the training as a contractor or self-builder, you'll be confident and efficient, saving yourself time because you had 3 days on site with fellow builders and trainers working with the LB300s. And as a HempBLOCK installer, you can show your clients that you have done the training and you've kept in the loop on any changes and updates over time. Next thing, what are the trainings? The trainings are an essential asset for builders and owner builders. This 3-day practical training and online theory test is designed to professionally deliver technical knowledge and the installation method of our building product. You will get a hands-on experience in how a HempBLOCK wall construction is prepared, executed and finished. So who are they for? A HempBLOCK Master Builder training is designed for carpenters, block layers, builders, self-builders and interested parties. Sometimes a company director or architect will follow the training because they want to know what they're selling to their clients. Now, what do they look like? The 3-day trainings are based on a comprehensive installation manual. You'll find it on our website. Link is below of the manual. So prior to the 3-day trainings, we send out an online theory test that needs to be completed and passed, so our participants have a very good understanding of the HempBLOCK system before they rock up on site. Makes sense. We start like a normal working day, standard Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and finish with a relaxed drink and a debrief. After completion, we'll send you a certificate of participation and 2-year HempBLOCK Master Builder memberships. During these 3 days, you will be treated to healthy, wholesome morning tea, lunches and drinks. I always love the groups that come together. There are always a bunch of interesting people that embark on the journey to build their HempBLOCK home, either for themselves or for others. A lot of builders actually join to have another skill up their sleeves. Now at last, when and where? Trainings are given either in HempBLOCK Training and Display Center. We've got one here in Queensland, Australia, and there are more coming. Or on a building site where everything is prepared and ready to build HempBLOCK walls. We have a few building projects in Australia, US and Canada that raised their hands to do the training. So the exact dates will be announced about 6 weeks prior. And our next HempBLOCK Master Builder training will be in Victoria, Australia on the 8th, 9th and the 10th of May. The first one, the week before, is already full. The next one in the US will be in Colorado. Canada, we're looking around July as well. And again, we'll announce that about 6 weeks beforehand. If you haven't yet, put your name down via the website under training. See the link below as well. And I'll look forward to seeing you over there.